Welcome to the Quick Advisors. These are the top 20 activities for families in Orlando, Florida. 1. Disney Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom, located in Lake Buena Vista at Walt Disney World Resort, enchants with Cinderella Castle, classic rides like Dumbo the Flying Elephant, and character meet and greets with Mickey Mouse. Families can enjoy parades, fireworks, and kid-friendly dining in Fantasyland. Did you know Cinderella Castle has a secret suite only bookable by Disney's special invitation? The nightly fireworks show uses over 500 drones for a dazzling display. Watching Happily Ever After fireworks light up the castle with Disney tunes is the most epic moment. 2. Disney's EPCOT. At Walt Disney World Resort, EPCOT's Future World offers rides like Spaceship Earth, while World Showcase introduces kids to 11 countries through food and shows. Families can explore interactive exhibits and meet characters like Anna and Elsa. The Spaceship Earth sphere stands 16 stories tall. World Showcase's kid-friendly scavenger hunts make global cultures thrilling. Riding soaring around the world, flying over global landmarks with wind and sense, is the epic moment. 3. Disney's Animal Kingdom. In Walt Disney World Resort, Animal Kingdom features live animals on Kilimanjaro safaris and rides like Dinosaur in Dinoland. USA, families can enjoy shows like Festival of the Lion King and explore Pandora's glowing landscapes. It houses over 2,000 animals from 300 species. Pandora's bioluminescent plants glow at night, wowing kids. Riding Avatar Flight of Passage, soaring on a banshee through Pandora, is the most epic experience. 4. Disney's Hollywood Studios. Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World. At Walt Disney World Resort, Hollywood Studios brings movies to life with Toy Story Land and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Kids can ride Slinky Dog Dash, meet Woody, and enjoy live shows like Disney Junior Dance Party. You can build your own lightsaber in Galaxy's Edge. The park's Millennium Falcon ride lets kids pilot the iconic ship. Riding Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, a whimsical cartoon adventure, is the epic moment. 5. Universal Studios Florida. At Universal Orlando Resort, Universal Studios offers the wizarding world of Harry Potter Dragon Alley and gentle rides like E.T. Adventure. Families can meet minions, enjoy shows, and sip butterbeer. Dragon Alley took $2 billion to build. Kids can use interactive wands to cast spells and shop windows. Exploring Dragon Alley, tasting butterbeer, and visiting magical shops is the most epic moment. 6. Universal's Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando. Also at Universal Orlando, Islands of Adventure features Seuss Landing with rides like The Cat in the Hat and Hogsmeade's Flight of the Hippogriff. Families can explore Jurassic Park's Discovery Center and enjoy kid-friendly shows. The Cat in the Hat ride spins through Dr. Seuss's story. Hogsmeade's Hogwarts Castle houses a ride inside its walls. Riding one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, controlling your fish's flight, is the epic moment. 7. Universal's Volcano Bay at Universal Orlando. At Universal Orlando Resort, Volcano Bay is a water park with Tot Tiki Reef for little ones, and the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. Families can splash in wave pools or relax in lazy rivers. Tapu Tapu wearables let kids control water features. The park has over 30 attractions from slides to splash zones. Sliding down the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster, racing through the volcano is the epic moment. 8. SeaWorld Orlando. In Orlando, SeaWorld offers Sesame Street Land with Elmo-themed rides and marine shows like Orca Encounter. Families can touch dolphins at Dolphin Cove and explore Shark Encounter. It pioneered killer whale shows in 1965. Over 10,000 marine animals live here, thrilling kids. Meeting Elmo and friends in Sesame Street Land's parade is the most epic moment. 9. Discovery Cove. In Orlando, Discovery Cove provides dolphin swims, reef snorkeling, and beach relaxation with all meals included. Kids can feed flamingos and interact with rays in freshwater oasis. It hosts over 10,000 marine animals. Dolphin swims are among the world's most intimate. Swimming with dolphins in Dolphin Lagoon, touching and feeding them, is the epic moment. 10. Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. On Merritt Island, about an hour from Orlando, this complex showcases Space Shuttle Atlantis and Rocket Garden. Families can try astronaut training, watch IMAX films, and explore kids' space. It launched every U.S. crewed mission since 1968. Atlantis traveled 125 million miles in space. Exploring Planet Play with mini shuttles and astronaut games is the epic moment. 11. Gatorland. In Orlando, Gatorland features alligators in the breeding marsh and shows like Gator Jumperoo. Families can watch animal encounters, feed gators, or ride the Stompin' Gator off-road adventure. It's home to Lefty, a rare white alligator. Over 2,000 alligators roam here, amazing kids. Watching gator jumperoo where alligators leap for food is the epic moment. 12. Icon Park. On International Drive, Icon Park offers the wheel for city views and sea life aquariums underwater tunnel. Families can play mini golf or visit the arcade. The wheel is North America's tallest at 400 feet. Its 2 million LED lights create nightly shows. Riding the wheel at sunset, seeing Orlando's skyline is the epic moment. 13. Legoland Florida Resort. In Winter Haven, 45 minutes from Orlando, Legoland features Lego City and Miniland USA with Lego landmarks. Kids can ride the Dragon Coaster, build Legos, or splash at the water park. It's built on historic cypress gardens. Miniland USA has over 32 million Lego bricks. Riding the dragon through a Lego castle is the epic moment. 14. Orlando Science Center. In downtown Orlando, this museum offers Kids Town for young children and dino digs with real fossils. Families can watch planetarium shows or live science demos. Kids Town has a giant orange tree to climb. The Cinedome's 360-degree screen immerses kids in space. Watching a planetarium show, feeling like you're in space, is the epic moment. 15. Harry P. Leu Gardens. In Orlando, this 50-acre garden features rose gardens and a butterfly rainforest. Families can stroll trails, attend story times, or enjoy movie nights. It has over 2,500 plant species. Thousands of butterflies flutter in the rainforest exhibit. Exploring the butterfly rainforest with butterflies landing on you is the epic moment. 16. Old Town Kissimmee. In Kissimmee, south of Orlando, Old Town offers carnival rides like bumper cars and a Ferris wheel in a 1950s setting. Families can enjoy arcade games and watch vintage car shows. Weekly car shows feature hundreds of classics. Kids can ride a merry-go-round in a retro town. Riding the Ferris wheel, seeing twinkling lights is the epic moment. 17. WonderWorks. On International Drive, WonderWorks is an upside-down building with science exhibits like Bubble Lab. Families can try 3D dinosaur exhibits or play laser tag. It was rebuilt upside down after a hurricane. Over 100 exhibits teach science through fun. Riding Wonder Coaster 360, a virtual reality thrill, is the epic moment. 18. Crayola Experience at Festival Bay Mall in Kissimmee. Crayola Experience lets kids create crayons and color giant murals. Families can name crayons or explore color playground. Kids can name their own crayon color. The playground has giant coloring tools. Making your own crayon in the crayon factory is the epic moment. 19. Ripley's Believe It or Not, Orlando. On International Drive, Ripley's showcases oddities like shrunken heads and interactive exhibits like the Mirror Maze. Families can explore over 500 artifacts and try illusions. It was founded by Robert Ripley in 1918. A real shrunken head is on display. Navigating the Mirror Maze with endless reflections is the epic moment. 20. Fun Spot America. With locations in Kissimmee and Orlando, Fun Spot offers kiddie rides, go-karts, and mini-golf. Families can ride gentle coasters like Freedom Flyer or play in arcades. Mind Blower is Florida's newest wooden coaster. Rides range from gentle to thrilling for all ages. Riding Freedom Flyer, a family-friendly coaster, is the epic moment. Orlando likely shines as a must-visit destination for families with children under 12, offering a magical mix of theme parks, educational experiences, and outdoor adventures tailored to young adventurers. From meeting beloved characters at Disney to swimming with dolphins or exploring Lego worlds, every corner of this vibrant city promises joy and wonder for kids and parents alike.